Hello Year 3 and welcome to our Destination Reader lesson. This is lesson number 1 of 25 lessons over the coming weeks. In our lessons, you will see some key words in red, and these are really important words that will help you with our learning. There will also be some questions for you to answer, like in our normal Destination Reader lessons, and these will be in blue. And there will also be some time for you to do some writing. The writing part is written in green. Now, before we begin, I want you to check that you have a copy of the story, a strategy prompt sheet, a pencil, a pen, and a piece of paper or your home learning book. Go and get those things, press pause, and come back when you have everything you need. Let's begin. The Minpins by Roald Dahl. We are going to start with some predicting. This is our first strategy. What does the word predict mean? Have a think. You can say your answer out loud to yourself, to an adult, older brother or sister, a cuddly toy, or the wall. And then I want you to write your answer on a piece of paper or in your home learning book. What does the word predict mean? Pause the video and then press play when you're ready to carry on. Press pause now. Okay, you're back. Well done. Predicting means to think, say, or estimate what will happen in the future. In our case, what will happen in the story. So making a really good guess. That's what we will be doing today, making predictions. Let's begin by looking at the front cover. I have got 3 different front covers for our story. I wonder, what do you think this book is about? Look really carefully at all the information you have been given on the front cover. I predict this is a story about a little boy going into the forest, because on the front cover there is a picture of a small boy within tall trees. What do you think this book is about? Say your answer out loud. I predict because. And then write your answer down. Press pause and press play when you're ready to carry on. Press pause now. Okay, you've made your first prediction. Now all great readers carry on making predictions the whole time that they're reading, and we can look at the blurb, which is the writing on the back of the book, to give us more information. So turn your books over to the blurb. I'm going to read the blurb to you, and I want you to have a think about what the story might be. Come deep into the forest if you dare, but beware the red-hot smoke-belching gruncher. Little Billy escapes his overprotective mother to explore the world beyond the garden gate, where the forest of sin lies. When Billy strays into the forest, he meets the Minpins, tiny people who live within the hollow trees. The Minpins tell Billy about the red-hot smoke-belching gruncher who preys on them. Billy embarks on a mission to rid the Minpins of their foe once and for all, and sets off on the back of a swan to confront the gruncher. It sounds like a really good book. I can't wait to read it. I predict that little Billy enters deep into the forest because he is in between lots of tall trees on the front cover, and the blurb says little Billy strays into the forest. What do you think? Use the front cover and the blurb to make your prediction. Say your prediction out loud. I predict because, and then write your prediction down. Press pause and then press play once you've done that. Press pause now. Well done, everyone. Our predictions are growing. Okay, there is another thing we can use to make predictions. In our story, there are really lovely illustrations, lots of different pictures that have been drawn to help us understand what is going on in the story. And I've picked two from our story. The first one I've picked is a picture of what looks like little Billy running away through the trees from some fire. And in our second picture, what looks like little Billy climbing up the trees. Here's what I think. I predict that although little Billy is successful and finds a way to enter the forest, he probably gets a little hurt along the way because the pictures show him looking worried and running away from fire and climbing up a tree. Use the front cover, a blurb, and some pictures from inside the book to develop your predictions. Say your prediction out loud. I predict because, and then write it down. Press pause and then press play when you're ready to carry on. Press pause now. Well done, everyone. Great predicting today. Tomorrow, we are going to begin reading the Minpins. Don't read it yet. Let's read it together. If you want, you can draw a new front cover based on your predictions. Whatever you think the story is about, why not draw a picture to show us what you think? You can take a photograph of your drawing and email it to the class email. I can't wait to read the story with you all tomorrow. Have a lovely day and see you soon.